Hey everybody, welcome back to our latest What Sold video. It's a little echoey in here, and for those of you who remember, this used to be our storage place with all of Dustin's cool and our cool shelving, and it's gone. It's totally gone. So we were very busy doing that and very grateful for our sales this week on Mercari, and that's Poshmark and eBay. So let's get right down to it.
Yeah, we're gonna head upstairs to our new inventory area that we've been working really hard on. It's still a bit of a work in progress, but we have most everything up there except for all of the food, which we decided to leave down here somewhere because it's, you know, we need to keep it cool.
And it's closer to the kitchen, so we get to eat it when we go. Oh my gosh, we don't have Reese's, right?
Yeah, and Elmer is really happy about that too.
Because he loves peanut butter.
Yeah, for sure.
No chocolate, but he loves the peanut butter.
That's right. Yes. So let's head up there. We have like another tub. We need to just bring these media shelving up there, and that's it. And then start organizing. Well, I can tell the echo in there when there's not much going on in there. We're gonna turn that into a studio of sorts soon.
Yeah.
Be working on that.
Yeah, that'll be really exciting.
But sales have been a little bit slow because everybody is outside as we are, working on their yards. And we've been doing a lot of yard work, enjoying the weather and all that. So we're super excited to get this project done as well.
Yes. Yes. So here we go.
Yeah, so we'll start off on eBay here, actually.
Okay.
Now, these movies here. Now, you know, we like to sell media because it just takes no time to list, store, and ship. And some of these sell really fast and for really great money. Now, you'll see us finding this in Tuesday's video. So check out next Tuesday's video. This is a Roger Corman classic, and it's a double feature. I put it up, and it sold that night for $24.99 free shipping. So throw that in a bubble mailer. That's like a $20 profit all day long. Wow.
That's awesome.
For sure. This one as well, sold for $8.99. I listed it last night. It sold just today. So we'll just throw that again in a bubble mailer. It's good to go. So now that it's movie night is over, we're going to check out some pants, actually, that you might want to wear on movie night. Some PacSun jogger sweatpants, comfy pants with the elastic ankles, men's size, sold for $14.99 plus shipping. And Michelle, you found those and listed them, and then I took them from your Poshmark listing, and they sold on eBay. So we're gonna find those in bin Y4, which is over here. In this magnificent storage area, we have nearly 3 alphabets worth of bins, and we're still working on doing a few of those together and getting all this organized. So this will be all nice and accessible for us when we sell a bunch of stuff. So, oh, yep, here we go. All right, so $14.99, pretty awesome.
Yeah, really awesome.
For sure. Okay, so honey, these are, I think you actually have a pair of these. Maybe you already had some, so you sold this pair, but this is a pair of Birkenstock Eva sandals, and they are women's size 5. So
I do have those same exact cute black ones, and these are black as well.
Awesome. So we're gonna find those in the shoe room, in the shoe 3 bin.
Oh, shoe 3 bin. Okay.
Yes. Now we sort of designated this room over here as a shoe room. We have a lot of awesome
shoes in here.
Yeah, basically. So we got some hanging up that are a little more delicate. And then in shoe 3, it's actually over here. So let me get that for you, honey.
Okay, thanks.
All right, so
The backyard's getting green. That's what we've been doing.
Yes, we've been working so hard, clearing a lot of stuff out and planting some clover, which has taken a lot of watering if you've ever done that before. So let's see, where are these here?
The clover lawn is just so interesting and fun and good for the environment and pollinators and all that good stuff.
Yeah, so we can't wait to get that. It actually started popping up today. I'm so excited because it's been just so much watering, like twice a day, for such a long time, and finally, you know, some are popping up, so it's all worth it.
It is. And these Birkenstocks were definitely worth picking up, even though they're very petite, size 5.
Yeah, I was gonna say these are definitely not yours, so I must have a duplicate.
I have really big feet. Okay, just so.
Well, I mean, not necessarily that, but I could just tell they must be another sale. So, all right, let's move on to Mercari, because we actually had a couple sales going out there. You'll remember us finding this in a really recent video. It was a church community sale. This is one of our highest viewed videos together, honey. We had over a couple thousand views on that, so we're really excited and can't wait to do that more and more. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. We really appreciate all your support and awesome comments you guys have been leaving. Thank you so much, guys. It just makes everything move along so much more smoothly for us.
Thank you from me too.
Absolutely. Thank you, guys. So, and also thank you for whoever bought this set of 58 string light covers.
Yay! We love string lights.
I know, right?
That and Cuisinart parts. I can't even say it.
Cuisinart parts, right?
Cuisinart. Hi, Elmer. Hi.
All right, so we are going to find those in bin U2. So that is going to be over here somewhere. JKL, over here, actually. So we're just still getting used to where all these bins are located now.
I know.
And I see them right here. Pretty sweet, because these sold for $21.99 plus shipping. Honey, you expressed a bit of an interest in wanting to keep them.
I did.
We'll find some more, though, I'm sure. I mean,
Cinco de Mayo's coming up.
it is
And
too.
that's
Oh my
probably
gosh.
why they purchased those.
Right, this might be coming out even closer to that. Or,
Those are definitely party lights, babe.
yeah, that's probably why they sold too. So we're
Big
going to ship these out
fiesta.
really quick. Exactly, to get to the fiesta in time. Yes. Next going out on Mercari. This is something, honey, that you'll remember us finding a bunch of these in a big barn sale. Now, in an upcoming video, we went back to that barn and found a bunch of stuff that hasn't even been edited yet, so keep an eye out for that. We had a lot of fun, but the past time we went there, you found a big collection of these Leo Ward Titan spunky little bluebirds. So the bluebirds of happiness, you found a couple of different colors, which is pretty awesome. And this is the first one that's sold.
Yay!
So,
I did a short on it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you did. Right. And that's a really great short, by the way, very informational. And this one here sold
Yay!
for $22. So pretty awesome, honey. Great work.
Awesome, guys. That's so, yeah, it's, oh, gosh, wonderful.
Yeah, right. And that went on Mercari. And so we stuffed those all the way in a nice little box marked birds. And we have all those all numbered. And this one, very meticulously, honey, you did a very good job at numbering all of these and keeping them organized.
Well, thanks to you, honey.
Oh my gosh. Well, you know, we working together to keep this nice and easy.
Organized. Oh, yeah.
For sure.
So all the birdies are in there.
Yep, so look for number 3.
Number 3. There's 5.
All right, here's number 3.
Number 3.
Yep, the spunky little blue jay. We'll make sure that's...
Oh, it's the spunky blue jay. I only
spunky
had
one.
one of those.
Yeah.
And I thought it was so cute because it was slightly darker in color
Okay.
and just a tad of a very small different shape, but the color was a little darker, more navy.
Okay, well that's really cool because that was the only one that I really seen that was like named the spunky little blue jay. Usually they're the blue jay is happiness or something, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, maybe that's why that one is a little more hard to find.
And maybe that's why he went first.
Exactly. I would say. That's pretty awesome. All right, so let's move on to Poshmark, and we had some pretty sweet sales there. Now, this one, honey, you had found in, let's see, I'm not sure where you found it, but you found a bunch of beach towels back in the day. This is...
Oh, yes, last year at a big, it was at like a fairground estate sale thing.
Right, okay, cool. So these vintage beach towels, some of them can sell really well and for some good money, just like this one. Now, this we'll find in bin G4, and that sold for $20. You know, just for a beach towel. I mean, that's pretty sweet. We'll find that over here. Let's see.
Over here. I have to tell you about this beach towel. This beach towel is the biggest pain in my bootay.
Oh, really?
Oh my gosh. I wanted a certain price. Sorry. I really wanted a certain price for it because it says juicy booty or something cute like that. And I knew somebody would pay $20 for it, but I kept getting lowball, 10, 12, whatever. And I held out. And I was so sick of responding to offers. And I have to say, I'm so happy it sold. And I'm so happy that I held out because it was just a couple bucks more, but made the difference in my profit. I mean, definitely.
Heck yeah. Yeah, sometimes, when you get those lowball offers, it's hard not to get, like, offended almost.
Yeah.
But then, it's just like, well, that's maybe what they have to pay. And...
Or sometimes I'll just write them and I'll say, yeah, thank you for your offer, but I can only do because, and this is why, and thank you so much for visiting my page. Mm-hmm. And sometimes if it's just a difference of $5, they usually say yes if you just reach out. And to us as resellers, for me, $5 is probably what I spend on my nicer things in my closet, so it makes a difference.
Yeah, for sure. Well, way to hold out on that one, huh?
Thanks.
Yeah, we got a good price for it, I think. So, last but not least, you'll remember us finding this at, maybe it was Value Village or Savers, I'll make sure. But check this video out because it was a really fun one, and we found 2 of these actually. They were identical and really excellent shape. And this is a Trek Velo 218 bike saddle or bicycle seat. And of course, Trek is a really great brand when it comes to bicycles, along with those other brands like Specialized and things like that. So this one sold for $25, and we have another one yet. So I'm pretty happy about that. We'll find that in bin Q, which is going to be over here. All right, I'm going to have to move this here. Actually, oh yeah, it's back here.
It just looks beautiful. I'm taking
Oh yeah, please.
You did such a nice job imagining the space, putting everything up, organizing stuff.
Okay.
I helped out with this, you guys. I helped out with this, but this is his organization. It's pretty amazing.
Oh my gosh, thanks, man.
You're welcome.
There's so much to be thankful for when it comes to, all of the space where we can, now put just about everything that we have listed into one area. It sure makes these What's Sold videos a little easier.
And more fun because we get to bop around a little.
Yeah, and it's just, we have everything just, ready to go. Again, we saw the DVD shelving downstairs, so we need to go ahead and, reorganize these. We're going to do that in this closet here. So we got already a ton of puzzles and games.
It's our puzzle closet.
My gosh, I had a couple of friends that had puzzle closets like that. I remember doing sleepovers and staying up with their parents, playing Risk and things like that. So board games, some of them still sell. That's pretty cool.
That's another show.
Yeah, for sure. So guys, we are so thankful once again for each and every sale that we just wish the same for you, honestly. We had a good average sale price this time of about $22 on each sale, which is great for a day. Could be better, could be worse, but again, people are outside,
And we're outside a little bit too.
Exactly, we know exactly how that's going.
Thanks again, everybody, for joining us, and we can't wait to see you again soon. And don't forget to please like and subscribe, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys very soon.
For sure, guys. Till next time, hats out to you. There's Luna.